Welcome back to La Rioja, the second stage of the Camino Francis.
We were on absolute fumes when we got to Logroño, but we still managed to visit a few sites. Logroño's tapa scene is known as the Trail of Elephants. At the end, you are to emerge on all fours, having consumed too much food and drink. We did make it out to a couple bars, but we had to shut it down and call it an early night.
La Rioja is a famous wine-producing region. We were excited to do wine tastings, but often found the wineries closed, contrary to published times online.
It is another scorching day out here, but we're making the best of it. About to enter Nahara. Can't wait.
We spent our days under extreme exposure under the sun. Luckily, we were under medical supervision and were able to implement aggressive hydration measures. Aquarius is Spain's electrolyte-enhanced water, and it was essential to our well-being.
I'm in Cave Castle right now. I just climbed in from some secret local. Told me how to get in this cave system. Not quite sure how old these caves are, but if they're anything like Butera, you know, thousands of years old. The beginning of day 10. Although I've been feeling great pretty much the whole trip, I feel like my hiking legs have finally arrived. This trip just keeps getting better and better. Tornado. This whole area here got scorched by fire.
Traditionally, pilgrims would start their Camino in the early morning. They would have to outpace fellow travelers in order to secure a bed in an albergue. Today, there is a wide spectrum of lodging options. You can stay in a bunk for €11, or you could spend hundreds on a 5-star hotel. We explored all options on the Camino. We couldn't pass up the opportunity of staying at a monastery in Santo Domingo de la Calzada. We were able to secure lodging in advance, mostly on Booking.com. Planning ahead can eliminate the element of spontaneity, but it also eliminates the stress that comes with trying to find a bed each and every night.